Hello everybody! Today I have a fun project with liquid polymer clay and natural leaves, which I really like. So I made a couple of pieces which are, let's say, graphical, and these are already finished. These are brooches because I like them most. And there is an experiment which I did not finish yet, and also this one. So I will show you how to make these kind of pieces, and I hope you will enjoy this very simple tutorial. So let's start with our fast project. So what you will need is a black clay. The thickness is a medium, so in case of pasta machine Atlas it is number 2, because I think it's very soft clay. You will need some leaf with quite busy veins. This is a sage leaf, but whatever you can find in your neighborhood is good, but just check from the back side if it is busy enough. And you need to imprint it because we will combine the natural veins with our, let's say, paint or glazing. It's better if the leaf is a little bit smaller than your edge is. So I have a couple of sizes of my leaves, and because I'm going to make a small circle, I will use the smallest leaf I have. So the best way is just run it through the pasta machine on the same thickness, so it is number 2. You can see the leaf is well incorporated into the clay, and just peel it off and you have really marvelous imprint. Select the cutter, and I recommend you to keep the leaf on one side. Do not put it in the center, it will not look interesting and nice and cut. So this is our future piece. What I like to do is just smooth it by paper to have it nicely flat and connected, so no bubbles, and bake it. So when you are happy with, actually we will cover it by liquid clay, so don't worry about all fingerprints or little imperfections. I want just to have it connected with my tile and not to have bubbles on a surface. So now bake it. It can be baked just 10-15 minutes. It doesn't have to be baked properly, but if it is, it's better always. As you can see, I did it also with navy blue uh, color, so any dark color of your clay will work. You will see the difference and you can make decision. So my goal is just to inspire you, and you can experiment as always. So blue is really pretty, and this is Premo Navy Blue. These are already baked and they are cool, so not hot. You can see they are nice. They are less glossy because they are baked. And this is time to apply our white clay. I mean white liquid. This is a Sculpey clay because it's my favorite and it has really nice density. So you need a brush to apply it, and I will start with the leaf first, and now I will stay just on a black and white, but you can add some colors later, and cover your piece with a milky, let's say, thickness of the white. It's like a pulling the color or paint on surface. So when you have it, it's still a little bit visible, the black, but not too much. So you can also cover edges. Don't worry about overlapping on your tile because you can cut it out by scissors. And but if you make some baking or framing, it's better not to do. So when you're happy with your surface, it's time for a silicone brush. You can use different types of brushes. This is the flat one. You can try how it works. And we just remove the excess clay. I will use it on my blue one. But if you don't have any other piece, just use your paper towel and clean your brush. You can also use your silicone brush for relief directly. You can see how nicely it works. So, whatever works for you is good. We want to clean as much as white from the surface, and we want to have it in our veins. This is not an acrylic, so it's not drying so fast, so we have some time to do this. So, and just scratch it out. And if you scratch too much, you can repaint it anyway. So veins are nice, visible, and we are ready for some fun. For this way, it's better to use silicone brush with tip. What I like to do is make a frame. I will clean my brush. Can be soft or strong. It's up to you. And now you can play with some designs, patterns, whatever you wish. Circles are really easy and they are easier made if you have a little bit less soft silicone brush. So this one is a little bit harder than this one, which is very soft. So for cleaning the clay, I mean the flat surface of leaf, it's better to use soft brushes. But for, let's say, kind of drawing, it's a little bit better to use brushes. They are a little bit harder. We can also try to use knitting needle, but I'm not sure how it works, but it's opaque, so it's good. So if you don't have silicone brush, maybe, let's see, it's an experiment, it will work. So I can try to make another line, and it works. It's very delicate. So maybe we can combine these two tools. What I really like on liquid, it stays on place. So it's not like a wet painting, and you can really do this, which is gorgeous. So I will repeat it on other side. And now we can try. What is nice always, it's just make some sections of your piece. Like in Zentangle work. I probably will continue this way. And now we can play. So in this case, I think it would be nice to have little spirals. And if you are not happy with your design, you can fix it very quickly, just like so. So I will cover this work and I will try to make a little spiral. So if circles are better, we will see. If you have too much liquid on it, it's harder. So this is why we don't want to cover it into very white. So you will see. So this is, for example, one options. Here we can go with some, let's say, stripes. And here as well. I just like this. So again, we need to clean our leaf. My silicone brush. You need to do it immediately because of chemical reaction of clay on clay. If you leave it tomorrow, it's not a good idea. Or drawing, let's say. See, we can make a little bit wavier organic shape here. I think it's better. And now we can make a little simple circles because somehow they are working best. When you are happy with, make some of them double or more than double. When you are happy with your circles, somehow they are where you want to have them. you can start to think about using another color. The dots are the best for it, and you will need a ball stylus and, of course, some color. Colorful liquid clay. I mixed my white with a pigment, this one. So just with your stylus, drop it. And this and there you can put some little dots and work slowly. And you can bake it. Here we have finished pieces. I really like them and I hope you like them too. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and see you soon.